Blindsgalore.com is proud to introduce our new Blindsgalore Quick Fit No Tools Roller, Solar, and Cellular Shades. Our new Blindsgalore Quick Fit No Tool Shades are a simple, no tools required solution to easily install your new window coverings in just minutes. They're the perfect choice for windows anchored in brick, tile, concrete, metal, or any surface where drilling and installing shades might be tricky. They're also a great choice in hard-to-reach windows or areas of your home where drilling holes may not be desired or even allowed, such as an apartment or dorm room. The Blindsgalore Quick Fit No Tools mounting system is held in place with a high-pressure spring that pushes against the window casing. While holding the mounting bar in position, adjust the end cap opposite the lever so that the rail is a snug fit in your opening. Then push up on the lever to engage the internal springs to create a secure fit within your window. This pressure is strong enough to secure larger shades up to 84 inches wide. Blindsgalore Quick Fit No Tool Shades includes a variety of lift options, including cord-looped, cordless, feather touch, and motorized roller shades without a headrail. We will pre-install all the necessary brackets onto your headrail to make the installation even easier for you. A designer cassette is available for cordless and motorized options. To purchase our new Blindsgalore Quick Fit No Tool Shades, please visit Blindsgalore.com. You can get started by ordering up to 15 free samples of your favorite fabrics to see them in your own home. If you have any questions, you can always call our experts or visit us at Blindsgalore.com.